EDU 535, Major Philosophies of Education, Summer 2018, Session 2. This is an orientation video, a screenshot video, to show you how the course is organized. I aim to make everything very organized on D2L. When you log in, this is what you usually see. There are announcements here, and I trust that you were able to find the screenshot video from that announcement. I don't typically put too many announcements here. Instead, I update everything and organize everything that you really need in the Content button. So you're going to go to Content. You'll see that the very first thing that you need to worry about is this Start Here module. The left side organizes all of the modules and submodules within those modules for the entire course. Everything is organized here. You can go and find other things up here through this system if you want, but everything is in the content area. Start here. Here again is the orientation video that you're watching right now. The very next thing I want you to do is read the syllabus in its entirety so you can know what you're expecting, what to expect for this course. This is a tutorial on how to make a video note in D2L. You'll need to do that a couple times this course. And here is a discussion area for you to introduce yourself to the class. So moving through, I'm going to tell you what each of these modules is about. Video updates. Instead of using the announcements tool, this is where I update you with new things pertaining to the course. I have not posted it yet, but there will be a video update number 1, which you'll want to watch right away. It will introduce you to some key aspects framing you for what you're going to be learning in this course. This module is a place where you can publicly ask me questions. Imagine that we're in a classroom setting together and we're going over an assignment or some content, and you ask a question, and other students in the class hear from that question and learn from, you're asking the question and then my response. This simulates that environment. You can ask a question here. Remember, it will be posted publicly, and I will respond to those questions on Monday and Wednesday mornings. So please plan accordingly for that. If you need to contact me otherwise, this also shows you how to do that. I strongly prefer that you do not email me because emails can get lost in all of the other kinds of emailing that I do for my work, and it's much more direct and convenient for both of us for you to text or call me at the following number. I will respond to these texts or call you back, or you can call me and I'll pick up on weekdays between 12 and 1 p.m. So that's sort of like a virtual office hour. I am always available. If for whatever reason something comes up and I'm not able to answer, I will call you back later that day. But I do strive to keep this window open on all weekdays, and that is my virtual office hour to maintain contact with my students in the summer session. Please take note of this number. You can add it into your cell phone, and that is a direct contact to get a hold of me. Moving right along to the next module. This course is organized along your completion of a term paper. The term paper will analyze U.S. public education for its underpinning philosophical assumptions. This document shares with you exactly what you need to do to complete the assignment. What you will be doing is each week drafting a section of your paper, and this relates to the reading of Joel Spring's Wheels in the Head. So I will give you feedback on each of these sections. Each of them are about 300 words minimum, 300 words, 300 words, 300 words, and 400 words for this last section. I will give you feedback on all of those. In each section, what you'll be doing is you'll be describing a little bit of what you learned from the text, and then you'll be thinking about a common practice in U.S. public schools that resonates with that aspect that you're focusing on. You will write each section once per week. I will give you feedback, and then you'll put it all together in a term paper that will flow very nicely. These guidelines give you very clear, or what I've attempted to give, very clear guidelines and a framework for getting you through this process for a term paper. And you should look at that right away so that you can see what you're going to be writing and how it will be organized. Your paper will be written in APA format. This is a link to get you into APA formatting if you need help with that. 2 more assignments, and those are the remaining remaining modules here that I'll go over. Group work. You're placed into a group of 2 to 3 people total, where there are some discussion prompts that you're going to engage with together. In the group work assignments, they're due on particular times. What you will do is post your initial response to this prompt. You can make a video to do that, or you can write. It's your preference. And then you'll want to respond to your peers in the group. This is just a space where instead of responding to each other or to the entire class, you respond to a smaller set where you can, engage and get to know each other's thinking a little bit more directly. The final assignment is a philosophy lesson video. This is my version of jigsawing the material in an online course. So throughout this course, we will be learning a variety of philosophical frameworks for the purpose of education. What you're going to do is apply your knowledge of one of these by creating a 3-minute video where you are pretending to be the leader of an organized activity that embodies that framework. There is a description of what you need to do, and then if you look in the syllabus, it tells you what your assignment is and when it's due. In fact, to conclude this video, I will show you, we'll go back to the Start Here module where the syllabus is located, and I will show you how you can find exactly when you are doing this philosophy lesson video. Just to finish up while we're here, this philosophy lesson video your video will be posted in a discussion area by the time that it's due according to the syllabus, and the rest of the class can view it and participate by responding to your video. Just in general, class participation is worth 60 points for the course, and what you're going to do is, in order to increase your class participation points, you should respond to more of your peers' postings than less, okay? So if you do 10 total posts, you will get 50 points class participation, but if you do significantly more than that, you'll get the full 60 points. It's all outlined in the syllabus, which you can take a look at. Let's conclude the video by going back to where you want to begin once you finish watching this video, which is the Start Here. Definitely open this syllabus and read it in its entirety. I would actually suggest printing out the syllabus and keeping it near your computer so that you can refer to it as you work through the course. Because this is taking a little while, I'm just going to pull it up. Here it is right here in my Word version. So you'll see at the beginning it lists the course description, course objectives. The assessments are all laid out there very clearly. Here's where I discuss class participation. And what I wanted to conclude here with is that how this course schedule is organized. This is what I would suggest you print out, the course schedule, which is a number of pages. You will see that weeks are organized starting on Monday and concluding on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You have assignments due on Tuesdays at 11:59 p.m. and Sundays at 11:59 p.m. You will see that the video presentations are on the Tuesday column, and not everyone is due on the same day. Liam, Cynthia, Chris, Kirsten, and Lindsay, you all have the first, it's the second week when the second Tuesday you will be the first set of video presentations. This, Makarenko and the Soviets, Sung in North Korea, Gutman, and Dewey and Giroux, that's Giroux in case of folks are wondering how to pronounce that, can all be found in the spring text. If you look in the index, you'll find it easily. It is a subsection of the chapters that we're reading. chapters 3 and 4. So you'll find these. What you're going to do is read that section first, figure out what that educational philosophy is about, and then apply your knowledge by imagining a lesson plan or an activity that really embodies that philosophy, and then go ahead and film yourself as if you were the leader of that organized activity. So definitely everybody take a look. As you scroll down, you see where your assignments are. And that's about it for this video. So you're going to want to, when you finish this video, open up that syllabus, read through it carefully, ask questions in the questions for instructor area, or text or call me at the number listed. Thank you so much for watching this lengthy orientation video. Also, I would suggest you watch video update number 1 as soon as possible, because it will frame the course for you. Okay, thanks for watching once again, and be well.